So beautiful. Hold on tight. I see no problem with this.
Death march, boys.
We found the water.
That's fresh.
Dang you, now I'm all dirty.
We're ready. Cause didn't you have like a little cube or something last time?
This is the new one. This is the new GoPro 11. Say hi to the superior footage.
Hi there.
How are you?
Yeah, good.
Jakey's here. What's up, brother? Mr. Mario. How are you? Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Glad you made it. Jacob.
What's up, brother? How's it going?
Andy. We did say bring good shoes, right?
I hope those aren't your
We got
hiking
the
shoes.
flip-flops. Ready. We're ready. What up, what up?
Good morning.
Good. Hi. Did you say good Morgan?
Yep.
Screw you, hippies.
Yeah. Good morning.
Stand proud, stand strong, and allow the love.
Oh, Bryce, the dirt. Oh,
Why
Brycey.
you open the door so early?
Oh,
Could have waited a minute.
oh, now I'm all dirty.
Yo, yo, yo!
Okay, that's it. Let's go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have fun, guys.
About every woman and man without a doubt. You're down but not out. You can turn it around, turn it around. There's nobody blocking your way, taking you down. And if you think that you're lost, you can follow the bridges you've crossed, and then you'll be found.
Gets me every time, man.
Wow.
Every time I come here, it's always just amazing. There's never one time I come here around like,
No.
one Rocky's seen them all.
Nope.
Every
Doesn't-
time it's like, man.
Every time. This is where we give thanks to Mother Zion. Everyone hug the wall. Say thank you, Zion.
Oh, thank you, Zion.
Thank you, Zion. Oh, yeah.
We're getting close. No, it doesn't. We're not even.
No, it's a ways away.
5.5 miles.
It's a ways away.
We're almost there.
No. We're not even near the log jam yet.
Yeah, no, we still got like another couple miles.
You're down but not out. You can turn it around, turn it around. There's nobody blocking your way, taking you down. And if you think that you're lost, you can follow the bridges you've crossed, and then you'll be found.
That's a good spot to rest right there. Yeah, you chilling?
Oh yeah, chilling like a villain.
You chilling, Max?
Oh yes. Was this an interview? Candid interview?
That's right. Just the handsome guys.
Well, you do.
You know what I'm saying? We found the water.
You know the feeling I'm talking about. Every woman and man's been down and out, but you can turn it around. You can turn it,
What do you guys think so far?
Right. Amazing.
turn it around. You can turn it around.
Amazing.
Yeah, you can turn it around. Turn it around. There's nobody blocking your way.
This is called tabletop. And this is the first obstacle. Get the jump from here. Yeah! No, not really.
What up?
Geronimo? Hold on tight and go slow.
You want to ditch your bag or you climb?
There you go. Hold on tight, hold on tight.
There you go.
Easy peasy. Yeah, buddy! Oh my God! Yeah! That's great! Jake, this is the spot.
Agreed. It's so hard to catch with the size and scale of this.
Yeah.
It's got to be 1,000 feet high.
Yeah. Nice one.
Yeah, buddy. High fivers. Yeah. It's all yo.
I just peed, so it should be warm in here.
Oh yeah.
When in the night.
Now I gotta say, Jacob going face first on the water with superior footage.
To my darling, Virginia don't say like she used to. Virginia don't feel like she used to. But I can feel her heart beating for me, baby. I know her heart's beating for me, baby. Virginia don't say like she used to. Virginia don't feel like she used to. But I can feel her heart beating for me, baby. I know her heart's beating for me, yeah. I've traveled all over in my life, but nothing slowed me down. This place that I used to.
You alright?
Watch you dancing alone in that first apartment. Virginia don't say like she used to. Virginia don't feel like she used to. But I can feel her. Virginia don't say like she used to. Virginia don't feel like she used to. But I can feel her heart beating for me, baby. I know her heart's beating for me, yeah. Virginia don't say.
Oh yeah, this is the big boy. Careful.
I was just saying, the ranger has said that there's been 4 rescues here just this week.
They go to the Moki steps over here and they
Yeah.
fall in.
There you go. Please don't die on me. Yeah, you don't want to slip on that one. You okay? Yeah.
Right foot.
I'd say your other foot is better.
Right foot would be better. No.
Yeah, yeah.
Left. Little bit left. Little bit left.
Don't do trust that. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
Good.
Be very careful.
There you go.
All right, good job.
Piece of cake.
All right, Max, up to you, buddy.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
I can feel the heart beating for me, baby. Another heart beating for me, yeah. Pretend you're not there like she used to. Pretend you're not here like she used to. But I can feel the heart beating for me, baby. I know her heart's beating for me, yeah. Pretend you're not.
I see no problem with this.
That's right. That's right.
Put it on, let's see it.
Oh yeah, that's
Oh, that's a good look, bro.
legit. That's legit.
That's legit.
Nobody's even gonna be able to tell.
Won't even notice.
Discreet. Discretion is my middle name.
Incognito.
That's right.
So this is the Narrows. This is normally where people come up the Narrows. They stop here and turn around.
Sorry, buddy. Sorry, buddy.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Oh yeah.
Wait for me, Dickie.
And you're missing out, Andy. Gave up too early, Andy. Oh yeah.
Come on, Dickie. Come on. Oh, hey, what's up? Hold on my hand. Hold my hand. I see you shiver.
Oh yeah.
You're cold.
Oh yeah, it's cool.
You wish you brought a wetsuit. You wish you brought one.
You suffer before, I suffer now.
Yep, exactly.
Peace and play.
Oh, that was a big butt bumper right there. Oh, that was a big one. It was like, pick up speed. Oh, oh, that was awesome. Hey, Brycey, it's mighty shallow. Oh no! Oh no! Oh God!
Oh God!
This is hiking right here.
Now this is hiking.
This is hiking.
This is the only way to do it.
Come on, Dickie. What are you stuck?
So beautiful.
Get in, boy. What up? Get in.
We're doing it.
Oh, let me fix my hair.
Peace.
Oh, he's filming the last part of the hike.
That's right.
Woo!
Lost
That's right.
Woo-hoo. Here we are at 9 p.m.
Yeah. That was a long day.
Trekking out, trekking out.